Hello guys, welcome back to Daily Entertainment Bars right here on GH TV. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button. And also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and loved ones.
Good morning. How are we? Let me see if the light will work better like this. My light near pool. Good morning, Obi. I want to say I'm going to do this very, very quickly. I'm doing this because Madana Minya Mami Sewa, a friend from America, and my sister pleaded with me to do it. So I'm gonna do this, and I'm going to be very, very quick and brief over it. I don't like the echo. First and foremost, first I can see Emma Lord G Herbal Clinic, Lord G Natural Herbal Clinic, or more a belly fat cleanser. Belly fat cleanser. My voice is low. I'm just waking up. Manager for mom. Lord G, I'm gonna a belly fat cleanser. Belly fat cleanser. Mary. I'm so we do me see the kakra oh do me see no Lord you have our money belly fat cleanser oh my second be away what the friends you are here from SMDB frats what I say frats do already be no ade chi anopa the same na eko yem friend no ton chain obi ani pleasure pro where your friend special honey over so true obi ne konyi ya was so true will be like Kanakuma. I want to a special honey. Pleasure pro for special honey. And you see, okay. Now let's go straight to the point. Cheers. Munim say coke dear. Maybe the doctor asked me to do it. So I'm going to do it, and I'm going to be very, very brief over it. Madam Aminia Mam say wa frame and Afia me do nyame din sraw ko ne ko chire nsemu e chire Ghana fo because Ghana fo no ebinum entinsem no ase. So I am doing this for my sister. When I am done, I am done. Just as I said yesterday, I owe no one explanation to my actions. But for the sake of my family, I will do this. Sometime August, miti kumase, ena obi kachire me say, menko he Kantanka TV. Meko so TV no, na girl bisi ye friend no, Mona, Gucci, eti TV no so, interview, Mzbel. On the television station, on TV so na sa the phone your friend Mzbel no. Ekot na o se mimi ko kumase, ekodi kraman, and I meje $5,000. Yan fanton chain. O wie ye no, and o se next week, mede asumesi ebeba ba be ka ho. Amna kebi. And then next week, the TV station invited Tornado to come and sit on the TV station to insult my father. During Tornado's interview, no, Oma Apostle Kwadwo Sarfo shoutouts. Oma Neba Kwadwo Sarfo Jr. shoutouts. Emma MCR, more winning TV, more MCR, we are more dying more. Omo control machine no. MCR for no so retreat back. Se Kwadwo Sarfo Jr. ese wo chia Tornado. Emma no kwa wo man sika wo ho. Ono free ho no se me dia kwapin polo beba. Na kwapin polo so aba be ka bia ka ho. E no dia kwapin polo ba nti we kwa ese omo bo baton wo TV no so. We kwa no hand battle na ma wo yi. Natie. Yes, penini a otena seman kwalare na nka no. Ye kana nkarefo a oka ho asani si ya na me fa fom na me frɛ nana ya. Before you say honor your father and mother, no, honor your father. One can say go and honor somebody's father. So when you sit down for somebody to disrespect my father, I can also disrespect your father. And you don't come and sit here and preach honor your father. Assembly started August, I picked a phone. I called Nanaya Ruby's GH. Send me Kwadwo Sarfo kantanka number. Or see one to me for me. And to me catch and say, catch your boss, sir. And so quarter will be a noon. By any na jai, na ya tifufu. Media already di matema and family home. Because me, and I'm them in ba na mo ye me. Nemo mo ye wadwene. Se me se ko eje 84 years. Ubedi na tem. Uye wadwene. Se me maame ye cha 76 years. Ubedi na tem. Uye wadwene. Se James and John. Omo ti o me bi o me bo udin. Ubedi wo matem ne kura kura. Wa mu ho. Na aso de beba. Makuma no so. Ade e pena so de ani obedi bi. Me catch your sister no. Se catch your woman say. Enter sukoko wo bi anu. By a jaiti fufu. Enye baako, enye mienu. August, September, October, November me fa fun. Na me frɛ mona. Na me catch mona say dear. Mo yi asam no afiri me so. I de call me papa ni na busua so. Ene me maso. Monye careful. Because someone better that TV so discussing me no. They are not my size. They are not my size. And monye careful. And I'm almost be winning podium on forgetting. Mona mu. Mon shada mu say Afia me nsuro I am living on. I have lived life. If I die today, I have been here. Me baby as a chili am a chili or you can't put 10 bone grom chili. Again, I mean, here, I went to you. Cast na minto, if you na minto to be. Be a was saying, Penny, be a my yebi. Cotier na mindi, Medi Cotia, as you can see, Medi Bruni Cotin and our Medi Bibini Cote. Just say, dear Bill, I'm your But I told them, Mimi mother, sit down and do calculation. Nebusa said, why not in a baby? Why mama can Afia Schwar kokan. Me meka wasemo. Me meka but se we mu ho. Na de cross na de ba. Nenti kamene den. Kwadwo Sarfo kantanka junior. Ama wo platform. Nobody ti ho. Na me papa 84 years. Yes, super no near guru ne ho, near guru me mame ho. Motivate mo bit na TV so. Some me papa 84 years no or ye junkie. Na me first station na station boss na say on me Afia Schwar nigga enkasa enti coming again. Atem didi any formula. Atem didi any formula. Mame nsa mo nyina mo nka ye se me ameti we. Many actually Kwadwo Sarfo kantanka junior. So for me to pick a phone and say I want to talk to Kwadwo Sarfo kantanka junior, it means I have given them the first respect. Then you come back to tell me, sir, you don't want to talk to me, but you will let somebody sit on your platform and ridicule my father. And there will be no commercial break. Will be no adverts. More timmy for part time, no more adverts. Now tell me the I just want to find out. More timmy for part time. Maybe papa do your yenio. Me papa you yeni pusa. And until then you mean shrame. Say the man shrame papa ye. E papa ye yeni. Until then you mean shrame. Said the measure me papa ye. Mo abuja na go and apologize. Have they apologized to my parents? TV station, no, have they apologized to my parents? Have they? Abo madam, dam and a wagana for bitim, nyansa ne binimun timinsia. Ha! Media me papa di o yen tomago oni so ba me mani so no o ye Versace. Said your muhu obi say o ye Prado no. Messi kwaje o ye Versace. What's that TV so say me papa 84 years. O my obi betan say me papa ye junkie. Na otigeto. Na ma fa phone. Na ma first station ho. Na ma ka say Kwadwo Sarfo say he can't talk to you. Sir! Kwadwo Sarfo say he can't talk to me. But Kwadwo Sarfo can give somebody platform to come and insult my father. And you only two for me. Say Nansu or baby or Bia or Nansu. Maybe mother, I will not apologize to any Tom, Dick, and Harry. If anybody wants an apology from me, they should apologize to my innocent father. And apologize to my mother. Me papa on Tigeto. Me papa on the Rasta man. Me papa on my father was a chartered accountant. On call police station that. My father worked in a government institution. Me papa yem fani kojna baby. I'm on the chrono that. My father had never been cited in any corruption issue. So my father, Augustine J, can be anything, but he's not a thief. He's a very respected, honorable man. Who call me Kroma, me papa ba and Crawford. Said your mom will be so in Ameno, me papa will ye nipa be bring and coupon. Don't insult my father and think that what they share him. Don't. Me so we are in the first week of August, second week of August, third week of August, fourth week of August, September, October, November, December. Cram mine, what the ababo ni tirimwa. Obe cow. What the cram mine, it's nasi. Now the ababo ni tirima. Obe cow. My father is nothing to you, but he's my everything. What's nasi? No my Afia Schwar, no my enema, no my Tracy, no my enema, no my really no more commercial. Aren't you people rich enough? Must you circulate lies about me in order to make money? I thought the Kantanka family is very rich. Now who you be at there? No one man will respect. No one far phone. Now I frown. I want to speak to your boss. Now boss, now my reply said, no, don't give my number to so and so. Excuse me, Mr. Boss. Kwadwo Sarfo Kantanka Junior. I know now feeding me. Man frawan sana mi tofi. Man frawan sana mi tofi etos mi no. Man frawan sana mi tofi etos mi ensa. Man frawan sana mi tomeka. It is just a respect. Be na me de mao, so that all this wouldn't have happened. I decided to give you the platform, the respect to correct your mistakes, so that all this, what me my GH Hyper, I called GH Hyper, and I told GH Hyper, me who se who posti Kwadwo Sarfo Kantanka Junior. Me yana number and sa kachira ne say. Me Afia dear. If you speak ill about me, I don't care. It is me. Me I'm doing one bar for ya mama you. You can be in family. Na me papa, I won't say na no ne kasada. Me ma me ye cha, I will tell the baby, I drain the diabetes on. Me man, I know dear. I know dear. Now someone when say my madam. When you say my madam. Aren't you surprised that I have kept quiet? Moya in August, moya in September, moya in October, moya in November. Ghana for big. Ghana for man do sign. And obi bakwa TV so someone kramaya da. a de chi a betimi akokoro koto die ne bodwe. How many of you stupid women are on Facebook amu jimi no obi baka se me kaya na ni passes ni kraman da ade chi a wo betimi apie akokoro Afia Schwar ne aduane ni pa on me yedua me ya ahoma ene ma me kan chewe the auto buo kan no on the ntokwa bai ene ntokwa any formula entokwa any formula what did you make am entokwa any formula obia bon yonko ba bia ebeye ne ya enti se Kwadwo Sarfo Kantanka Junior etnase Emma obi didi another CEO of a media house at Temudia enye ye me mo na minim no ana mo na nyam na mfa na dwuma eye wo Kwadwo Sarfo Kantanka Junior wo na fa na dwuma so when she sit down and give people platform to ridicule my parents, it is you. Adverts no mo bo so no omo fa sika ne ma mo na nkofio omo bo advert no program no so a ye di sika na ma station no aha I don't think as we your obi who did you obi atama no the wo any TV station no akọ court na ha ene no obi na wa daje o de be court ene obi a me dia me court ba kwa na be evidence na me dia hia na me say every August, September, October, November. Me papa get to be no tie. Na me papa to get to her. Omo no adu o ma bet sound no say papa to get to no. Omo papa no te hin. Omo papa no, omo te hin. I have said it again and I will say it again. Me papa do you hear you? I have never said it anywhere that my mother, I was born with a silver spoon. I was not born with a silver spoon. No, me yo hear ni ba. Ene nyame eshira me. Me papa hu here. Enti na nyame eshira ne ma. There are a lot of rich people who didn't live to be 84 years. My father is 84 years, weak and feeble, so on working sick, on one and nante. Me yo yeni banti na nyame ayeden ehira me ento tnasia jai me papa hia no because me ankasa me papa hia no eye tweapia edama no but omo metna ase ebe discuss me papa no where are their fathers, where are their omo papa to sing omo papa what to sing baby am there say be no am there see I will not get up and go. Shame on your stupid mother. Shame on your stupid mother for raising a fool like you. I will not go and get up. Maybe sorry, need you be at them. One thing is a Ghana for memory. Said your papa be kind. A short. And to want to ask on your calculation. Mr. Kantanka TV. I will be caught now to say, and here and you could 5,000. Movie and no more trap. Now there are 2 stations YouTube channel. Said about YouTube so be mamuskana mu de didi. Anye muntie. Kwaje okọ awo so no. Owo emma me papa ma ye do so ba. Owo ma be say 10 years chiri. Ba ku pe. In fact emienu. Me na me nua kwasi asare. Ye mienu abodam. Me papa mami ni o mabadam na wo bodam 47 na aso wo de me papa ni mu ba be ye forma masa I gave them the benefit of the doubt. I called the station and 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 called the station. Tell your boss to put his bitch in order. It is not too much to ask. It is not too much to ask. Na yase wo konto kwa na wo refi akeka. Because na me refi kwa say obi ti says arama no sebo e ho no kwa sorry papa no ne ba no na me refi ti say me am business partner o say me nua afram papa ne ba na me refi wo konto kwa na me refi e dia pa na no mpesa me ye in this case e dia pa no mpesa me ye Anybody that wants me to come out to apologize to anyone should be the first person to call them to sit on that TV and apologize to my family. And then if they render the first unqualified apology, why not? So no to me papa chow. Say papa, dear Kayan I'm funny kwanso. And you know, ya can't ye Jaineka. Miss Usuma Pacho. What you say? There is nothing wrong with them upon Utimi, I could try me. Aden. Kofa, mon chef, Yasha, snake, papa. Oh, papa, when? What's me, papa, near? Maybe I'm papa, dear, men fanning see you. Men family, papa, and see you. Men family, papa, and see it. And I'm a papa, when you're junkie. My father is a very learned, intelligent, well-traveled man. Well-traveled. Abroche. Ghana, minim Ghana kura. Me papa nko ye adwuma wo ho. E ma me mother minim nyo ba ya. Ye nko school wo ho. Minim baby ko. Minim baby ko from Tamale to Boliga to. Minim baby ko Ghana hankwampo. Minim my father was an STC accountant. My father. Mumusa said, one person of a by one. Mumusa. My father is not a thief. So what do you show him? Now why did they say, who be treated the animal was one? And ye Jinamimo Bruhuso, a camubiate. Street, I am see was street too. What I say? See, I will be one Quasiafra. Miss me will be. I have people on the street. Metisa Kromaya Muana. But I will not apologize to somebody who insulted my parents and didn't apologize. Me say me far from Alfred station no. Me friend Anaya, me friend GH Hyper, me friend Anaya, me friend GH Hyper, me friend Anaya, me friend me nada. Do your investigation. 1982, 1983, 1984, almost 2000. Now me papa, STC accountant. Me so me ya wo me dada ba o. Ya wo me obango. Enye na STC o. Enye na STC. Ai, ya wo me banglo. Na me go school as state transport and be family. When ya papa. Me papa wanya ma bro. Me papa ko eje wanya ma bro. Enti me mma. Ena bi nanya me tumi so. Aka ma obi akwase ampani bi ate. Se no me a enyi nyina so de. Asafo Awurade se enyina ne enyina china o china chinso enyina enti obi a obebie na no aka bibia afa meme ne ma ho de me born it back to sender in the mighty name of Jesus. Me born it back to sender by the power of the blood of Jesus. Me born it back to sender and bra money mo busuafo so e wo Yesu dem marie wo a wo twa apology no it's not say apology na be na ntia ba why